G'day, another very warm welcome here to Country Wholesale Group at 15 Uralla Road in sunny Port Macquarie on the mid-north coast. And here is something very special, a Dodge Ram 2500, 2018, four-wheel drive. It's got the big Cummins 6.7 litre turbo diesel. What a beauty. Absolutely stacked with all these extras. Heavy duty bull bar. It's got the worn winch, extra lights underneath. Alpine white in colour. So 2018 Ram 2500 heavy duty with a 6.7 litre Cummins. Chrome alloy wheels, great set of tyres, side steps. It's got a tow pack on the rear. Let's have a look inside. Keyless entry, leather seats with memory. Let's pop into the vehicle. 56,000 extremely careful kilometres. Let's see if we can start her up. There we go, fantastic. That's 6.7 litre Cummins diesel. An amazing package. So it's got the big screen. Does have naturally a very progressive reverse camera. Heated steering wheel, heated and cooling seats. It is an absolutely outrageous package from Ram Laramie. Also got the fully electric sunroof. It is a 6-seater, so there's an extra seat just underneath here with the seat belts. Dial up 4-wheel drive, high or low. Has got cruise, has got very functional Bluetooth, electric brakes, UHF. An amazing package from Ram Laramie 2500. I believe it can tow approximately 7 tonnes. You can phone us on 6581 2881. That's 6581 2881 should you wish to have a more customised virtual tour of this stunning adventure machine. 6-seater. It's also got the tow pack and the electric tonneau cover. That's certainly an abundance of room. Outstanding. A very, very simple but very handy feature. 4-wheel drive. Ram Laramie. 6.7 litre Cummins diesel. The ideal towing machine at Country Wholesale Group, 15 Uralla Road in Port Macquarie, cwg.net.au. Your home of 4-wheel drives in Port Macquarie. Fantastic service history, and this vehicle is available now. There is no waiting here at Country Wholesale Group. You can phone us on 6581 2881 for a more customised virtual tour, or simply come on down here to 15 Uralla Road to inspect it. No doubt you'll be more than impressed, and we certainly will look after you.